Hi all, welcome to SCIKIQ. This is a product demonstration video of SCIKIQ data platform. Before even I get into detail, let me explain what SCIKIQ is. SCIKIQ is a business data platform which is infused with AI and ML, and it is specially designed for medium and large corporate so that on a self-serve basis they can make sense out of the data. It helps enterprises build data stack, i.e. lake, warehouse or data hub, whatever you want to call it as. The purpose here is how we can integrate data sitting across multiple geographies, processes or even IT silos. Once you have integrated the data, next step is how you can deliver business use cases which can help you increase revenue, reduce cost or stay in compliance with the regulatory bodies. Third, you can roll out multiple data products so as to add to your top line, which is very common these days from a product monetization standpoint. Our key differentiation is our proprietary technology, which integrates data with metadata and helps enterprises achieve business value at 50% less cost and at least 60% faster compared to the competition. SCIKIQ has 4 core modules, starting with SCIKIQ Connect. This module, SCIKIQ Connect, is responsible for connecting to any data store, be it structured, be it unstructured, or it can be your large language models. So here you can see we have pre-built connectors with relational, columnar, big data stores. We have more than 187 connectors available within SCIKIQ. Once you have connected with the data store, you want to migrate your data. It's just like, you want to load historic data, 5-year, 10-year of data. This is where you get into SCIKIQ Migration Help Hub, pick up the source, move it to the target. It's as simple as it sounds. We have Delta Hub, which is responsible for creating batch or micro batch, which is for your daily Delta loads. Or you can use Event Hub if you are envisioning or if you are implementing any real-time use case within your enterprise. Once you have connected to the store, the next screen or the next module is SCIKIQ Curate. This is where you create logical physical data model. You can profile the data. What I mean by profiling the data, you can look at how the outliers are, what are the patterns within the data, even before doing any analysis. So this helps you do the self-analysis. It not only uncover the patterns within the data, it also identify if the data contain any personal identifiable information, PII, which is very important given the kind of the regulations we all operate worldwide. So if you look here, it has identified this is a location. So now it also suggests what are the treatments which can be applied to this. So on a metadata basis, it shows you issues with the data and it shows you the recommendation, what you can do to solve those data problems. Not only that, it suggests data quality rules. What I mean by that, this is where people say garbage in, garbage out. So system is recommending you the data quality rules. These are system generated, but at the same time you can author your own rules. Once you look at the data, if everything looks good, the key differentiation is we also have inbuilt Auto ML Studio within the platform. You don't have to pay or hire lot of data scientists. So we claim we can save 60% or at least 60 to 70% of your data scientist cost by automating the profiling or the data analysis part and creating a level 1 model through our Auto ML pipeline. So here it's as simple. You select what you want to do. Let's say I want to look at a classification problem. It suggests you all the algorithm. Let me pick up one of the variable, what I want to predict, and done. That's it. So it's as simple as clicking few buttons. Once you have curated the data, you want to start consuming the data. This is where you create reports and dashboard. So SCIKIQ has its own reporting engine. So you go there, pick up the source, what you want to look at, pick up the visualization, what you want to create on that. So let me pick up one visualization, which is this. It has already identified the dimensions. It has already identified the metrics. Let me fetch the data. and boom, so it is done. Now I can see how my data looks like. I can style it, I can put a legend on top of it, I can do whatever, and I can share it with my team, or I can train any Alexa, Siri, or any such device. I can push data as a product, I can roll out data as a service, I can create ML as a service. While we do all of this, we have a very differentiated offering with respect to governance. So SCIKIQ Control is a governance module which helps you achieve the data governance. So what it means in plain English is, if I go here, I search for some asset. Let me look at something called trade orders. And the moment I look at it, it is showing me this is how the information is. It gives me a complete glimpse of my metadata. Not only the metadata, it shows me, okay, these are the tables which are discovered, these are the tables which have PI information. I can look at the lineage, the complete lineage end to end. So this is showing me how the data has moved from source to target. We are among challenger worldwide when it comes to data governance space. Once the data has been captured, consumed, you can roll it out on an API hub where you can attach a monetization policy on top of it and start sharing it with a wider ecosystem. These days, everybody is talking about GenAI, so you don't have to go beyond this platform. You can create your agents, you can define workflows, you can define complicated routines. Everything is available out of the box. And you can implement your business use cases at a speed. So if I just pick up one of the use case here, where I want to summarize where I want to see few things out of my data, I'm just picking up that, and that's it. And the bot is already trained. I can start asking now question on that bot. So the moment I'll upload this file, I can start asking question on this file. So thanks a lot. Stay tuned.